Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASRock Fanless Industrial Mini PC. So friend, ASRock has excited to release the iEP-7020E series industrial IoT controller enabled by 13th generation Intel Core embedded and industrial processor for optimized performance and scalability. And friend, this series industrial IoT controller include powerful and versatile models iEP-7020E 000 and iEP-7020E 001 and iEP-7020E 002 charged by 13th generation Intel Core i7 or i5 embedded and industrial processors. And friend, the performance hybrid architecture support up to 14 cores and 20 threads for computing intensive process control, securing optimized performance and energy efficiency while delivering up to 1.08 times faster single thread performance and up to 1.05 faster multi-thread performance. And the Intel Iris Xe graphics provide up to 96 execution unit for graphics boost along with dual channel DDR4 3200 MHz SODI DRAM up to 64 GB supported Intel in-band ECC for fast AI interface use cases while ensuring reliable data integrity. And they are equipped with rich IO extension including 4 RS-232, 422, 485 serial ports, 4 DIs, 4 duos with power on or reset, 3 USB 3.2 generation 2x1, 1 USB 2.0 and 1 line out or mic in for connection to multiple factory equipment. And there are 3 2.5 GB Intel i226 IT LAN with vPro support, 1 GB Intel i210 LAN and plus optional to Intel i210 supporting IEEE 802.3 AFPoE with Intel TCC and TSN for real-time computing at the edge. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.